If there is something wrong with the sewer line out from your house and you're wondering how much that's going to cost, then you'll want to watch this short video. Trenchless waterline replacement offers a smarter, less invasive solution. Instead of digging long trenches, technicians use specialized equipment to replace your waterline through small access points. That means minimal disruption to landscaping, driveways, and sidewalks. This method is fast, efficient, and often finished the same day. It's ideal for homes with mature trees, gardens, or concrete surfaces you'd rather not mess up. Trenchless technology also reduces labor costs and cleanup time, making it a cost-effective choice for many homeowners. Want to learn if trenchless waterline replacement is right for your home? It doesn't apply in all situations, so you'll want to know if it will work for you. Call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating for a free estimate today. 604-872-4946 or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com to schedule a service call.